Welcome to Fashion Forward, where we delve into the world of footwear, exploring its evolution, cultural significance, and the impact it has on our daily lives. In today's episode, we focus on three iconic types of shoes: stiletto heels, mules, and sneakers. Each of these footwear styles has a rich history and has played a pivotal role in shaping fashion trends over the decades. We'll journey through time to uncover the origins of these shoes, their rise to prominence, and how they've been embraced by various cultures and fashion icons. Whether you're a fashion enthusiast or someone looking to understand the deeper connection between footwear and personal style, this episode promises to offer valuable insights. Origins and evolution. Stiletto heels, characterized by their long, thin heels, have become synonymous with elegance and sophistication. The term stiletto is derived from the Italian word for a slender dagger, reflecting the heel's sharp and pointed design. These heels gained prominence in the 1950s, thanks to designers like Roger Vivier, who is often credited with creating the modern stiletto heel. Vivier's innovative use of a thin steel rod embedded in the heel allowed for the slender design without compromising strength. Cultural impact. Over the decades, stiletto heels have become a symbol of glamour, often featured in high-fashion runways and red carpet events. Celebrities like Marilyn Monroe and Audrey Hepburn popularized the stiletto, associating it with femininity and allure. The 1990s saw a resurgence in their popularity, with fashion icons like Carrie Bradshaw from Sex and the City bringing them back into the spotlight. Styling tips. Pairing stiletto heels with various outfits can elevate your look. For formal occasions, a classic black stiletto can complement a tailored suit or evening gown. For a more casual yet chic appearance, consider pairing them with skinny jeans and a blazer. Remember, the key to styling stiletto heels is confidence and poise. Definition and history. Mules are backless shoes that have been a staple in fashion for centuries. Originally worn as indoor slippers, mules have evolved into a stylish and versatile footwear option. Their defining feature is the backless design, making them easy to slip on and off. Mules have been embraced by fashion icons and are now a staple in both casual and formal wardrobes. Global influence. The international appeal of mules is evident in their presence across various cultures. In Eastern cultures, mules have been traditionally worn for their comfort and ease. Their adaptability has allowed them to transcend cultural boundaries, becoming a global fashion phenomenon. Fashion icons and trends. Celebrities and designers have played a significant role in popularizing mules. From pointed-toe mules to embellished designs, there's a style for every occasion. Pair them with a summer dress for a chic look or with tailored pants for a sophisticated ensemble. Styling tips. Incorporating mules into your wardrobe can be both stylish and comfortable. For a casual day out, pair flat mules with cropped jeans and a tucked-in blouse. For evening events, opt for heeled mules to add a touch of elegance to your outfit. Rise of sneakers in fashion. Sneakers have transcended their athletic origins to become a fashion statement. With collaborations between brands like Adidas and designers such as Kanye West, sneakers have become a symbol of street style and luxury. The comfort they offer, combined with their stylish designs, makes them a go-to choice for many. Collaborations and innovations. Notable collaborations between sneaker brands and fashion designers have led to the creation of unique and sought-after designs. These partnerships have pushed the boundaries of sneaker aesthetics, blending performance with high fashion. Sneaker culture. The impact of sneaker culture on fashion trends is undeniable. Collectors and enthusiasts follow releases closely, and limited edition sneakers often sell out within minutes. This culture has influenced how sneakers are perceived, elevating them from mere footwear to coveted fashion items. Styling tips. Pairing sneakers with different outfits can create diverse looks. For a casual day out, combine them with leggings or jeans. For a more polished appearance, wear them with a blazer and trousers. Sneakers offer versatility and comfort without compromising on style. In conclusion, stiletto heels, mules, and sneakers each tell a unique story of fashion evolution. From the elegance of stiletto heels to the versatility of mules and the comfort of sneakers, these footwear styles have shaped and continue to influence fashion trends. Understanding their history and cultural significance allows us to appreciate the artistry and design that goes into creating each pair. As we move forward in the world of fashion, it's essential to recognize the impact of footwear on our personal style and how it reflects our identity.